Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Boost. Today we are going to solve another type of conceptual problem that related to electrical field. Basically you know the electrical circuit. Okay. Here the question given that when two bulb having 100 watt and another one is 50 watt, another one is 50 watt is connected in series. Is connected in series with 220 volt, then which ball is more brighter? Okay, for this experiment first we check two condition. If two ball are connected in series and if two ball are connected, this same ball connected to in parallel. First here it given one bulb is 100 watt 230 voltage. This is the maximum rating of this bulb. That means he is saying like that, if you give 220 volt supply to this 100 watt bulb, then it can give exactly full brightness. Okay, so first here you see this is the series one. This is a series one. Two bulbs are connected in series. You know that in series case, series case, current is same. Suppose I current will flow here lamp 1, then same current will flow in that lamp 2. Okay, first we check what is the power coming and what is the here power coming. We know that P equal to VI. That means suppose if you want to know what is the power across this one, we should know that what is the voltage drop here or voltage across this lamp. Here voltage is different. This voltage depend upon the resistor. So we can write also P equal to V equal to, we know that IR into I. So we can directly written I square R. So that he mentioned like that P, I is the constant. Whatever the I here or current here, same current will same other bulb. So here power is directly proportional to resistor. Power is directly proportional to resistor. That means he telling like that this bulb having some resistance. Which bulb having more resistance, then this bulb will more power. More power means more brighter. Okay. So first we find what is the resistance of this 100 watt bulb and what is the resistance of 50 watt bulb. So for this we know that P equal to, you can write the V square by R. Okay, V square R. Then R equal to V square by P. Already know the V is the 220 volt. This is rating. Okay, 220 volt square divided by P is how much? 100. Okay, then we calculate this one, we getting 5484 ohm. Okay, of this 100 watt. If you going to calculate the same for 50 watt, we will get 220 square divided by 50. Then we get 960 ohm. Then which ball is go brighter? Then 50 watt more resistance. So that according to this condition, then which ball will glow more? This 50 watt ball will glow more brighter than 100 watt if this series connected in series. Then this is series condition. If both balls are parallel means current are divided here, I and R. So we can write like this. We know that P equal to V square by R. Why I take like this formula here? Because the voltage drop across this 100 watt and 50 watt is same. So this is the constant factor. V is the constant factor here. Here like that current is constant factor. Here voltage is constant factor. So P here inversely proportional to the resistance. So that means which ball having less resistance, that will glow more or brighter. So according to the, when you connect to the parallel 100 watt and 50 watt, that time 100 watt bulb is more brighter. When connected series, that time 50 watt more brighter than 100 watt. Okay, hope you understood this one. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you again.